Meet Jane, a visionary industrialist residing in the UK. A few months ago, she was looking for commercial industrial dehumidifiers. At that time, her brother Paul advised her to check out the online store of Bright Air. Without wasting time, Jane explored Bright Air's wide range of collections. She found a top-notch commercial industrial dehumidifier at competitive prices at Bright Air. Jane quickly placed her order and got the delivery the very next day. Like Jane, do you want to buy cutting-edge dehumidifiers from Bright Air? Head over to www.brightair.co.uk to place your order.